in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell by the title of today's video, I am going to be designing a backwood wrapper in Canva. It is just like the single cigar. It's not like the 3 or the 5 pack. So let me just get straight into it, y'all. It's real simple and real straightforward. I really don't have to do much explaining, so just watch me work, y'all. And I do already have like the logos and stuff uploaded to Canva. Again, I'm not gonna talk too much because I'm sick right now. I have a cold and my voice is so irritating. So I do have everything already uploaded in Canva. So if you don't know how to upload images in Canva, it's very simple. You just go to the uploads, click here, and then upload all the pictures or images that you will be using. Now this side right here is going to be obviously one side, and then that's going to be the back. So I am going to put the logo on both sides. I'm going to add a picture of him. And if I didn't say it already, because honestly I can't remember, but this is for my cousin's 30th birthday. So let me see. I'm gonna add a little text. Y'all know they always had a little warning, but I'm gonna put a different type of warning on here. And when it's time to assemble it, that's so straightforward too. All you need is a hot glue gun. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I actually need to add some happy birthday text, so let me make this just a little bit smaller. One of my favorite fonts is Anton. Come on now, Canva, don't play with me tonight. Yeah, and there we go. Like, it's real simple. Yeah, it's nice, and I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. Now, if this video was helpful in any way, shape, form, or fashion, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment with some fire emojis and let me know that this was helpful.